Here is a Kia Seltos. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Right over there is a primary hood release lever. Pull it in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Kia emblem. Put one finger there and push left on the secondary release lever. Push left, lift up the hood, and this is how that secondary release lever works. Now this hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab the rod, put it right over there in that slot with the arrow marking it, and then let it go, and now the hood is secure. Let's get started with the passenger side bulb. That's the bulb right over there. The way to access it is behind it. That's the bulb holder. We just have to grab it and twist it left. So let's go ahead and twist it left a little bit, and now it's loose and you will be able to get it out of the light, and out it comes. To get the bulb out, just press down and then twist it left. So down, twist it left, and off it comes. The bulb size is 2357A. A is for the amber color. Check the link in description to buy the new bulb from Amazon, and let's go ahead and put it back into the bulb holder. And if you're not able to push it down, don't worry, just wait, take it out, turn the bulb around, and then you will be able to push it down. So push it down, twist it right, and it's locked in place. Let's go ahead, put the bulb holder back into the light, and you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in flush and sits in like this. Good. At this point you can twist your right to lock it, and you are done. That's it. Now let's move on to the driver's side. That's the bulb over there. Exact same process, no differences whatsoever. Let's go ahead and grab the bulb holder and then twist it left, and it'll be out. You may have to wiggle the bulb holder a little bit to get it out, so be patient. It may take a couple seconds, but out it comes. Same bulb as the passenger side. Let's just put this back into the light. Once it sits in flush like this, just twist your right to lock it. And now in the car, let's go ahead and turn the four-way emergency lights on so we can test out the bulbs. The driver's side is working good, and so is the passenger side, and that is pretty much it. To close the hood, first push on it, get load off the prop rod, get it out of that slot, put it back in its place and press down, lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.